Hello student, good day to all of you. Today we are going to study economics subject chapter number 1, basic concepts in economics. In this lecture we are going to study remaining concepts in microeconomics. So let us start. Next concept is personal income. So earnings received by a person from all sources is called his personal income. If any person earns income, for example, from salary, from wages, from house property, or any other source, such income received is known as personal income. Any individual person receives income, then such income is known as personal income. Next is seventh, personal disposable income. It is that part of personal income which is left over after payment of direct taxes such as income tax, wealth tax, etc. So there are two person's individual income. So after deducting such type of taxes, whatever income remains with the person is known as personal disposable income. Next one, economic activity. Economic activities can be classified into four types, which include production, distribution, exchange, and consumption. First one is production. So production means what? Transferring goods, converting goods from raw material into finished goods. So production is a creation of utility. There are four factors of production such as land, labor, capital, and entrepreneur. First factor is land. Land in economics is a wide term. It is a natural factor of production because it is received from nature as a free gift. It is a natural resources. Any natural resource that is available on, above, and below the surface of the earth is called land in economics. Example, minerals. Diesel, etc., which is found below the surface. सरफेसच्या खाली आपल्याला मिळतात. By extracting such minerals from the earth, we get, for example, petrol, diesels, etc. Soil, water on the surface of the earth. आपल्याला सॉईल किंवा वॉटर कुठे मिळणार आहे? सरफेसवरती मिळणार आहे, ऑन द सरफेस. एअर, सनशाईन, वाइंड are above the surface of the earth. एअर मिळेल, सनशाईन मिळेल, वाइंड, हे सगळे कुठे मिळणार आहे? अबाव द सरफेस. So land earns rent in productive activity. Whenever land, for example, फॅक्टर्स ऑफ प्रोडक्शनमध्ये लँड आपण काय करतो? इन्व्हेस्ट करतोय लँडमध्ये. सो लँडला जे पण रिटर्न मिळणार आहे, रिवॉर्ड मिळणार आहे, ते कसं असणार आहे? इन द फॉर्म ऑफ रेंट. जे पण रिवॉर्ड मिळणार आहे लँडला त्याला काय म्हणायचं? रेंट. नेक्स्ट वन, labor. Labor is a human factor of production. Any physical or mental effort undergone during the process of production to earn the reward of wages is called labor. जे पण फिजिकल ॲक्टिव्हिटीज असणार आहेत, फॉर एक्झाम्पल एखादा पर्सन असेल, एखाद्या फॅक्टरीमध्ये काम करतो आहे आणि त्याचे जे पण स्किल आहे तो प्रोव्हाइड करतो आहे एखादं प्रोडक्शन करण्यासाठी, किंवा एखादा इंजिनियर आहे, फिजिकल किंवा मेंटल एफर्ट, त्याला काय म्हणायचं आहे, लेबर. आणि त्याच्यासाठी काय मिळणार आहे त्याला, वेजेस. रिवॉर्ड काय मिळणार आहे, वेजेस. नेक्स्ट वन, कॅपिटल. सो कॅपिटल मीन्स वॉट, इट इज द अमाऊंट इन्व्हेस्टेड इन टू द बिझनेस. इज अ प्रोड्यूस मीन्स फॉर फर्दर प्रोडक्शन. प्रोडक्शन करायचं आहे त्याच्यासाठी काय हवं आहे, कॅपिटल हवं आहे. इट इज अ मॅन मेड फॅक्टर ऑफ प्रोडक्शन. आता फर्स्ट वन जे आपण बघितलं लँड, ते काय नॅचरल रिसोर्सेस, इट इज नॉट मॅन मेड फॅक्टर ऑफ प्रोडक्शन. सेकंड वन लेबर, इट इज ऑल्सो मॅन मेड फॅक्टर ऑफ प्रोडक्शन, human factor of production. Third, capital, it is a man-made factor of production which earns the reward in the form of interest. कॅपिटल इन्व्हेस्ट केल्यानंतर काय मिळणार आहे, त्याचं रिवॉर्ड काय मिळणार आहे, त्याच्यावरती इंटरेस्ट. एक्झाम्पल, मशिनरी, टेक्नॉलॉजी, फॅक्टरी बिल्डिंग एक्सेट्रा. नेक्स्ट, एंट्रीप्रेन्युअर. So entrepreneur is the organizer who is a real captain of the industry. Entrepreneur who comes with new ideas, who produces the goods by using their new ideas. He is a special kind of labor who gets the work done to earn the reward or profit in the process of production. If he put his efforts into the production activity, then entry reward rent, laborला wages, capital interest, and entrepreneur get reward in the form of profit. Next one, डिस्ट्रीब्युशन. आता फर्स्ट वन काय होतं, प्रोडक्शन. सेकंड वन, डिस्ट्रीब्युशन. आफ्टर प्रोड्युसिंग एनी टाईप ऑफ फिनिश गुड्स, इट कॅन बी डिस्ट्रीब्युटेड टू द फायनल कंझ्युमर. इट इज अ डिव्हिजन ऑफ फॅक्टर रिवॉर्ड्स among different segments of the society. Factor of production claim their reward of rent, wages, interest and profit through the process of distribution. Next, exchange. It is give and take between various units in the economy. Exchange refers to sale and purchase of goods and services. For example, if any producer want to produce, then first he purchase raw material from the supplier. Afterwards, converting the raw material into finished goods, it can be distributed or sold to the final consumer. So, it is give and take between various units in the economy. In economics, exchange is necessarily a monetary transaction. Monetary transactionच हवं आहे. Purchase केलं आहे, so every buyer want to pay. If the seller sells goods, then he receives money. It is making use of goods and services to satisfy human wants. Every goods or services will be used by ultimate final consumers to satisfy their wants. So today we studied remaining concepts in microeconomics. In the next lecture we are going to study macroeconomics. Till then, thank you.